Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. Cancers. So, for your general energies, guys, this is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, Cancers. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have snake, fox, and child. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Cancers, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, there is a person who is posing as your friend or a family member, but their intentions are not good, guys. They are here only to make use of you in some ways. So they are hiding their true emotions. They want to pull you down, create some problems for you in your life, and that is their only intention for being with you. So, this person may be someone in your work. They are using you for your skills and talents, and they are trying to benefit through your talents and through your efforts, guys. And they are not honest. You must be really careful, guys. Careful with this person. Keep your eyes open and see what is the truth. So, in your work, you may see some obstacles or something not going in that expected way. Maybe something may happen, creating a lot of problems for you. So, you need to understand that there is someone creating this situation for you. So, you should not be charmed by the words they are speaking or for their actions. Uh, in truth, in them, within them, there is a lot of evil intention towards you. So they do not like you, they do not want you to be successful. That is the reason they are getting involved. They are keeping a close watch on you guys, and this person is not good. So you have to be really careful, guys. Cancers, even in this relationship, Cancers, maybe if you do not have that complete trust on this person, you must uh, be really careful with them, guys, because their intentions may not good. You may have a great attraction towards them. You may feel that they are loving, caring, and a very good person, but you need to understand that appearances are deceiving, guys. So you must be really careful. This person uh, may not be what they are. In truth, they may have some agenda of their own. That is the reason they are here with you. And for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is bad. So maybe for some of you, there may be someone trying to help you, trying to help you to avoid this circumstance with this person. So this may be your friend or a family member. So if you have people suggesting you certain things against this person you love, you must be really careful, guys. Or this may be your person's energy. They are trying to be uh, too controlling or dominating. So they are really possessive, what to say, they want you to do things their way, maybe, and trying to impose their ideas on you, and they are quite forcible, they are forcing their ideas and views on you, disrupting the way things are for you. So if they are too controlling and dominating, guys, cancers, you must be careful. Or this card may mean that there is someone helping you, giving you guidance, or suggesting you certain things for this relationship. And if you can trust this person, you must listen to them, guys, cancers. That is what I see. So for your career situation, we have mice. So again, we just saw this energy. There is this person trying to use you in your work situation. So they are trying to benefit themselves with your efforts and with your talents and skills. So if you know who it is in your work circumstances, guys, you must be really careful, cancers. You must try to stay away from this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have uh, come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges, whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you have, you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and uh, you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So, your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So, maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So, whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So that is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.